we're just imagine for a moment, every time you enter a surah, you're entering into one of Allah's palaces. A surah from Allah is a gift sent from above the seven heavens to humanity, and you're entering something that the world did not have access to it. This came from way, way above. And it came as a gift to humanity. Tanzilun min Rabbil Alameen. We will take a deep look at Surah Al-Jumu'ah. As deep as I can do, at least. And there's still endless oceans left after whatever I'm able to do. But whatever I try to do, I will try to simplify as much as possible. That's how humanity was sent down. There's a mindset that's taught in these ayat. The Quran is not just information, it's a mindset. What is priority? So when Allah says, whatever is in the skies and whatever is in the earth declares the perfection of Allah, is there a special stress on the earth? You understand? So you'll find in most of these surahs, wherever tasbih is mentioned, there's a special stress on the earth. And what's really cool is Allah will mention that special stress on the earth, and immediately in the next ayah,